सो गाइस हमारे लिए आया है एक जादू का पिटारा। इस पिटारे में क्या है?
I don't know.
ओपन
How?
वेट। गैस आ रहा है इसमें क्या हो सकता है?
कुछ आपके लिए, of course, कुछ नहीं मेरे लिए.
There is lot of things for you guys.
Pencil, Scooby-Doo.
Show me. Wow, this is for Kiki.
What about this?
Wow.
Wow. And what about candles for Diwali?
Yes.
Cookies?
Almonds.
Oh. What is this? What's inside?
This is chocolate something. Keep it. It's chocolate. It's chocolate
It's
only.
possible to open.
It's chocolate only. I'll keep it.
You open.
There is a note also.
What does it say?
Oh my gosh, there's sweets as well.
Sweets. Oops. Nuts.
Ha.
What is this?
Pencil. One more nuts.
No, those are stones, I think.
This is cashew.
Spiced cashew. What is inside?
I don't know.
Guess.
There is some chutney also, Arav. Yeah, it's candle.
Huh? It actually looks like chutney.
There is one more cashew packet. And there is one more box.
Let's find out what is in there.
Sweets.
Now let's see what is.
Wait, there is one. Let's open this as well.
What is in here?
Chocolates. Not like that, Arav.
Hmm?
There is one more packet.
Oh, they tied. I did not know that. And here there is
One more chocolate.
one more.